In a business environment where collaboration is critically important, managing real-time communications can be complicated and expensive when you have different vendor platforms and when you cannot seamlessly communicate between those locations. My name is Steve Hardy, and allow me to show you how Avaya or a session manager can help you to overcome these problems and create a solid base to support your communication, collaboration and customer service needs. First, let me define Avaya Aura. It's our core communications platform supporting mid-sized to large companies, providing the foundation for unified communications and customer service solutions. Avaya Aura Session Manager is the latest application in the Avaya Aura communication platform. It's a SIP-based application that allows multi-platform integration, single routing and dial plan control, along with a centralized application deployment throughout the whole network. First, let's see how the multi-platform integration works. As you can see, you might have several PBXs across your organization, and managing the connectivity among them can be highly complex and demand a lot of resources. By deploying Avaya Aura Session Manager at the core and connecting all those PBXs to it using SIP, you can eliminate the complexity and create a cleaner network. With your entire network connected and centrally controlled, Avaya Aura Session Manager will also help you to administrate and manage a central dial plan. What does this mean? Let's take a look. All the calls that are made among your locations will be directed through your network without going out and paying service providers connection fees. In addition, the calls that you make outside of your company will be directed to the least expensive route. Imagine you're calling a customer in London, and you have an office in London. The least expensive route might be directing the call through your network all the way to the London office. From your London PBX, it's simply a local phone call. Now you can begin adding the savings and the numbers start to grow. An additional benefit that Avaya Aura Session Manager provides you with is the flexibility to have all of your communications applications in a central place, instead of tied to local PBXs. You'll be able to deploy shared applications to all of your end users across locations without being concerned about the normal PBX restrictions. Let's see how this works. In the past, users were able to get only what their local PBX could provide them. So if you had multiple locations with different PBXs, you could not provide the same tools to all of your users. On top of that, most of the time, these applications meant more servers, more energy, cooling, and so on. With Avaya Aura Session Manager, you're able to provide the same tools to all of your users from a centrally controlled environment, eliminate the redundancy of having multiple servers, and gain related benefits such as less energy consumption and fewer servers to administer. Now that you have a better understanding of Avaya Aura Session Manager and how it allows multi-platform integration, single routing and dial plan control, and centralized application deployment throughout the whole network, I encourage you to access the Avaya Aura Session Manager fact sheet, contact Avaya or an authorized business partner to learn more. Thank you for listening.